All right, guys, come with me today to hike Grandeur Peak here outside of Salt Lake City, Utah. We're about a mile in. First mile is 34 minutes. This initial incline is no joke. We're still going up right here, so got Salt Lake City to my back. I'm just enjoying the trail, man. We've made it to mile 2. Total time is about 1 hour and 30. We have 1 mile till the summit. We hit the peak at 1 hour and 53 and hung out for a couple minutes, and then we're on our way back down around the loop. We're at 3 miles at 2 hours, 12 minutes. Nine miles in, sitting at 4 hours, 16 minutes. Got about a mile to go. Oh, we made it back. 11 miles, 5 hours, 3 minutes.